Hello friends, today on the day 4th January 2023, we are going to discuss a topic, what is a full stack development and why it's need of nowadays. While we are developing a website, there are three major parts. We cannot see them, but they are actually there. First one is front end, which is visible to the user, and other two is back end and database. What does it means? User operate the website from front end, but in back in back there is a process going on, which is controlled by the back end development. So also the new trend is there of full stack development because what happens, companies wants multi-talented candidates to work in their companies to reduce the cost of employment or employee, and company get directly benefited from him. And also the cost of project is also going to decrease and if a single candidate works on a single project, that is easier because the candidate knows what is going on in the project and don't need to connect with other peoples to him. And now we discuss what comes in front end, what comes in back end, and what comes in database, and how they are interrelated with each other. First, front end. Front end is related to the languages which can be called HTML, CSS, and so many. What does they create the UI for users, which is understandable to the humans who can easily use them and easily operate the website. And then what comes backend? Backend is full of coding which is not understandable to the users, and they does not changes any backend programming because a coder does not give permission to the user to change the code of backend. And also another one is database is that where the all the data is stored in the correct format or well structured manner, that is called a database. Then how does it works? We can say the backend there are so much languages, that is Java, Python, C++. These are several, and in database there is a famous which is we called as SQL, that is structured query language. And in that structured query language there are multiple types, that is MySQL, MSSQL. These are so on going. Now what does full stack development do? If a user uh, in full stack development there are various scope for the also freelancing, that we can start our own working on, we can start our own earning by doing full stack development. That is why freelancing projects. So we does not need to work in companies such for depend financial freedom. Also we can create multiple softwares, websites, applications which are required to the local companies, or we can say local commercial industries. So it is helpful for us also, and it's helpful for uh, uh, our client also, because MNC companies are uh, MNC companies are applying their cost is very high in structure, but uh, the single person who working on the working on project of some clients, that is a very cost effective, because the full stack developer does not need office to rent the places, or he can work by sitting in his home. So the full stack development is a new future of coders, and everywhere the full stack development is also needed, and the candidates who have full stack development, they are get preferred over the any special technological candidate. Thank you friends, and try to be a full stack developer in coming those days. Thank you.